Hello my friends, I'm here by new video. In this video I will show you simple but useful things to learn how to do correct backtest for forex products like EAs and indicators. So as always, please do not forget to like this video if you find it useful and subscribe our channel. Okay, why I said correct backtest? Because normal backtest in MetaTrader has some wrong results. If you can't reach 99% tick data quality, so your test result can't be trustable. Okay, before check strategy tester, let's we learn how to download EAs and indicators from MQL5 website. It's pretty easy. You have to open your terminal and go to market tab, and you can see a search box on the top right corner in here. Yes, write your desired EA name before, for example, best MTA EA, and you can see a download button or update button if you have already downloaded it. Of course, I have downloaded it and I don't have that buttons here. You can download or update it by clicking on the orange button and press the test button. It will open a strategy tester automatically and allows you to uh, do test in here. Okay, let me start the test. I'm going to adjust the test now. Here you can adjust your symbol, I mean currency pairs, and for example, and in here it's time frame and it's for the spread. So if you want to see backtest in visual mode, you need to sign this check mark, and by these two items you can adjust start and stop time of your backtest. Okay, let me do backtest on all 2020 year by this EA. Okay, all the things are ready. Just let me check EA input wizard. You can adjust EA inputs by press expert properties button. You can see all inputs of the EA in here, and if you want to change anything, you can do it easily. And if you like to use default settings, so do not need to change and just press OK. Right now we need to check data quality. If you are using normal tests, so MetaTrader use Brook tick data, and this tick data has not enough modeling quality, so you can't reach 99 data quality by normal test. Let me do test by normal MetaTrader data this one time. Okay, start, and we have to wait a little until the test gets over. When the test is done, you have some tabs here, and you can see trade details like that: trading tree, stop loss, take profit, and other details. In the next graph, that allows us to monitor EA lose or profit graph, and in the next tab we have report, contains some useful information that allows user to decide better about EA, like total trade, total win trade, total lose, and others, as you can see here. But here we have one important thing. As you can see, this green line, and why this value is less value. As you see in this test, our modeling quality is uh, around 59%. It means your test was wrong, and means you haven't enough tick data to do correct backtest. This value must reach around 99%. Then all things are okay to do good and correct backtest. Okay, how you can download all correct data? There are two ways. If you want to increase this value a little and reach little better quality, you can press Tool, open History Center, find your symbol, as I'm going to do it right now. Yes, Tools, History Center, and you have to find your symbol and press download. By this way your quality will increase, but can't reach 99% quality in some cases. And if you need 99%, so you must use another software like that TDS, I mean Tick Data Suite. This is data center software, can allow you to download all tick data values during last 20 years. You can use this software for 14 days free of charge, and after that you need to pay them. I have Tick Data Suite on my PC, so let me do a test by it and see how does it works. Okay, here in my strategy center I can see button named but use tick data and also tick data setting. If I press this check mark, means EA use TDS data instead of MetaTrader data. Okay, let me start the test by TDS data. Let me check the graph. Okay, so we have to wait a little bit. Now it's finished, and let me check the graph. As you can see, a completely different result we have here. Okay, test is done, and look at the report tab. You can see green line, and you can see 99% tick data quality. It means our test result was trustable, and it can say if this trading strategy already run since start of 2020 we could reach this result. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and as always, please do not forget to like our video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.